This is the trading review for Monday, the third week of March, no, second week of March, 2023. My goal was to take good trades, good quality trades, be patient, but I lost a little bit of patience. It was a rough day today. So today was a day where I should just not take a trade and just wait for the most optimal setup. But there is like a conflict of inside my head where I don't want to just not take a trade, and then if I take it, I don't want to I want it to work, and I don't want to accept losses and things like that. But so it was rough for me. I also didn't stop because the frustration of not having a good day today was too much. But either way, I was looking at Nvidia, and Nvidia sold off from S3, and then we went down to S4, and I think here I missed out a little bit on the on a good opportunity. Uh, at 9:45, 9:46. Uh, it could have been a good entry, but one, it was moving too fast, and I would not know where to place the stop loss. Maybe 224. The spread was 20 cents, so it made it much more difficult to make an entry here. But I guess I should have taken it. That was my hesitation part, but you can see that it will have worked beautifully. And then add on every pullback to S3, place a stop loss maybe here, and just add to my position on partial and just wait for that consolidation to end and push higher, and which it did. And I could have just trended this day, but I missed out on it. Taking an entry on S3 was gonna be impossible due to the chop and the consolidation here. So the only entry would have been away from value at R3 for a short, but even then the 5 minute was not gonna allow it. So Nvidia was very tricky to trade, but I think it offered the cleanest opportunity, especially with the 1 minute candles. And then Meta as well. Meta, I didn't know what to do here because I wanted to take it as short for a continuation. It's very weak, and so I was very bearish. And then the stock decided to use pull with strength, and you can see here that to time this entry was gonna be impossible. 1 minute move, $1.50. So very difficult. And then it just continued running higher, and then it's continuing trying to continue from S3. So those were the cleanest opportunities. And if I wanted it to be a really good setup, it will be really hard to make an entry. So I ended up looking at Tesla, and Tesla was chop fest as well at S4. Um, it just bounced from this S6 level, but to make an entry, it had to be timed really hard. And then it approached S4, sold off a little bit, and then it just chop at S4, and that's where I lost my trades. I took those 3 trades. The other ones were used to practice to see if I had the rating correct. But I made my entry long for an S4 reversal. But I made them without waiting for the level 2, so that was my mistake. Staying away from the montage if the level 2 is not clear. So those are not really well executed trades. I'm just nervous, waiting, afraid that I'm gonna miss out on the trade. And this is an S for reversal, so it's an S for reversal. Did we execute? No, so we failed again. And I took 3 trades, so it doesn't matter because we didn't execute correctly. And that's the end of this second set, which is very poor, not executed. The nerves really got the best of me. I don't know if it's a possibility of finally having the ability to go live that scared me away after the first set, which provided really good results. So I'm gonna try and get back into zone and have strength psychologically. The other trade, same thing. I tried to short it then, but I didn't really have a plan. I didn't really meet the criteria. So I'm gonna end it here, and the next set I'm gonna make a clean one because um, I want to have better quality data set to see how I'm doing because this is not so this is not good enough. But I'll do an analysis of this, and then today did we break rules? Yes, I traded after my max loss, and I didn't take good trades. It was not a good performance today. The market was difficult. The good performance today was not take a trade, but I miss I messed up that. So yeah, I need to do the stats analysis and I need to work on psychology to fix this shit. It's been 3 days in a row that I've been having losses, but I'm gonna work through it and I'm gonna try and have a good data set and hopefully we can start fresh and new and try to do a better job at executing and developing that discipline. But those are the three trades. I tried to take a long from S for reversal after we ran from S6, and then I tried to take a short after it failed. But all were just based on my wishes and desires and price action. So it wasn't really an reading. This was again another long, but then I got stopped out, so that was it. I shouldn't have taken this trade. I took this trade because I felt because my losses were within the 2 hour max loss. But yeah, disappointing. A bit disappointing that I did that. But yeah, I'm not gonna make a new data set and start with those bad trades. I'm gonna try to keep it clean. So that's it for trading review for today.